Now that we are done with future values and present values, what else can we do on this topic? Well, how about we know both the present value and the future value, but and we also know the interest rate. Can we figure out how many years are between the present value and the future value? Yes. Or instead, we know the present value, we know the future value, and we know how many years there are between the present value and the future value. What's the implied interest rate? We can also figure that out. So in this part of the chapter, we are looking at how we would solve for either the interest rate or the number of time periods. Let's start with finding the interest rate. That's R in the formula or IY in the financial calculator. If you use the financial calculator, then you're computing IY, the interest rate. So you are given both present value and future value, and you're also given the number of years that are in between. Essentially, you're using the same buttons, right? PV, FV, and IY, just like before, except now it's the interest rate which is the unknown. What's important when you use the financial calculator? Either the present value or the future value should be negative. It doesn't matter which one. Either one would be fine. And once again, the order in which you enter the present value, the future value, and the number of years doesn't matter as before. If you're interested in, learning the formula to do this whole thing by hand, then we can, for example, start with the future value formula, which equals present value times 1 plus r, the sum raised to the power t. We need to solve for r, right? So first we divide both sides by present value. Then to get rid of the power t, we take what's on the right hand side, future value divided by present value, and raise that fraction by the power 1 over t. And then we are just, we just need to get rid of 1. So r equals fraction future value over present value raised to the power 1 over t. And then we subtract 1 from the result. This formula is actually not in the book. I don't know why, but this is how you would do it by hand.